Namaskar everybody. Today I will solve some special problem on perimeter of rectangle and square. In the previous class I have discussed about the perimeter and area of some geometrical figures, basically square and rectangle. But normally we have calculated or we have solved in normal figure. Okay, suppose this is a rectangle. Suppose A, B, C and D is a rectangular park. Okay, in the question paper you will observe that the problems are maybe different types like this: rectangular park, rectangular field, square park, square field. So this is a rectangular field. Suppose its length 40 meter and breadth 30 meter. Okay, its length 40 meter and its breadth 30 meter. Suppose the problem is, if the problem is just like that, outside the rectangular field, if there is a ball or any place, suppose its breadth 2 meter, its breadth 2 meter, all sides, its breadth 2 meter, its breadth 2 meter. That means the problem is just like a rectangular park or a rectangular field A, B, C, D, whose length is 40 meter and breadth is 30 meter, and outside the field there have a road or any path. Okay, so how will you calculate the area of the path? This is the main problem. So I have decided today I will give this kind of problem. Suppose it was at first ABCD, its length was 40 meter, and breadth was 30 meter. So its outside there have a path of wide 2 meter. That means all around, all sides, the path is running through all sides around the field. So what will be the area of the path? That is the main problem. You look very carefully. When I have drawn the rectangular field at first, it was ABCD and its length was 40 meter and breadth was 30 meter. Okay, so at first you will find the area of main field. Area of the main field 40 into 30, because the area of rectangular any object, its area length into breadth. So length 40 meter and breadth 30 meter. So 3 4 12 and 00. Always area will be squaring it, so meter square. Okay, meter square. Now then observe very carefully. It is the area of these portions. 1200 meter square is the area of these portions, but outside the field there have a path of wide 2 meter. Look very carefully. It is 40 meter length, and when you will include the path, and measure, it will be increase length 2 meter and 2 meter also. Okay, and same similarly, the breadth was 30 meter, and when the path is going to the outside the field, it will increase also 2 meter, and in this side 2 meter. So it was 40 meter, length was 40 meter, but including the path, the length will be increased 4 meter, 2 meter and 2 meter. Okay, so length will be 44 meter. Similarly, the increasing of breadth, the breadth was 30 meter, but when the path is around the or outside the field, so 2 times 2 meter and 2 meter, breadth will increase also 2 and 2, that means 30 plus 4 meter. So this is the length including path. Okay, and also it is breadth including path. It is 34 meter. Understand? So this is the basic problem. So how to find out the area of this path? So now find the area. Now find the area of the field including path. I am erasing this portion. Including path. Find the area of the field including path. What will be the area? 44 length and 34 breadth. So 44 into 34 meter square. You will calculate and you will get some area. Okay, you will get some area. So you have also calculated the area of the main field, and you also calculated the area including the path, length and breadth. That will be area including the path. Then you subtract the area of total, that means outermost field and the innermost field, that was initial. Subtract, that will be the area of the path. Okay, so what is the summary? At first, in this type of question, you will find out the area of the inner figure. So it is a rectangle, so length into breadth. Okay, so there was 1200 meter square, but there have been path outside the length, that means outside the field. So 2 times length will be increased 2 times. In to the right side 2 meter and left side 2 meter, that means 4 meter. So 40 plus 4, so length is now 44 meter, and breadth was 30 meter. So also breadth will be increased 2 and 2 the either side, so 34 meter. Then find their area. So area of the field including path, you will find the calculation. Then you will subtract the area of this initial field, then this area you will multiply 44 by 34. Okay, something will be answer will be given. You will get something answer, and you will subtract 1200 meter square from this area. So you will get the area of this path. Okay, so in this way, this kind of problem can be solved. Okay, so in the previous class we have given the class only. I gave the class only the basic area and perimeter of the rectangular part. But this kind of problem may be for class standard 6, 7, 8 in this standard. So to the next classes I will give the next problem solving class. I will give some problem and solve how to solve this kind of problem. Okay, thank you.